and welcome to Face the Nation. Margaret is off. On this Labor Day weekend, public health officials are warning Americans to follow social distancing guidelines, especially for those celebrating the holiday with groups of people. This comes as coronavirus cases continue to rise in the Midwest, and there's concern of a new surge as the weather gets colder. We begin this morning with CBS News national correspondent Mark Strassmann in Atlanta.
America wants a holiday from COVID, but a lot's riding on this Labor Day weekend. South Dakota's State Fair opened, despite a startling positivity rate, 22%. New cases keep rising in 27 states, more than triple the number 2 weeks ago. The Midwest has become America's new regional hotspot. Like this Florida crowd on Friday night, Labor Day weekend could unmask complacency toward the virus. Some governors are worried sick.
Picnics, backyard barbecues, gatherings. And we know that much of the spread that's occurring in Illinois is actually happening in these settings.
America's COVID caseload, nearly 40,000 more every day, has nearly doubled since Memorial Day.
Please be very mindful of the fact that our last surge started on Memorial Day weekend when people let their guard down.
Without a vaccine in sight, America's economic recovery sputters. The national unemployment rate finally dipped below 10%. But 29 million people now collect some form of unemployment. 3.4 million jobs have vanished. Eric Beltran last worked in mid-March. Ever since, the unemployed brewer has been hammered by rejection. 150 job applications. No luck.
It almost feels like a suffocating amount of gravity, just slowly pushing harder and harder on you.
Finally, school starts on Tuesday in 30 states. Almost all learning will be virtual in cities like Chicago, Houston, Baltimore, and Detroit. New York City schools delayed their start until September 21st. America's largest school system will offer partial in-person learning to 1.1 million students.
This is uncharted territory for everyone.
Richard Carranza, chancellor of New York City schools, says nimbleness is key. One super spreader could undo months of planning.
What are you going to do then?
We hit that red line, then we go all remote until we're able to suppress it back down.
Carranza's been studying lessons learned by other school systems like Georgia's, which opened more than a month ago. COVID outbreaks forced some schools to shut down and return to all virtual teaching. But first, like school officials everywhere, he's hoping Labor Day weekend won't compound the challenge of keeping people healthy. John?
Mark Strassmann, thank you.